Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll talk about my top luxury regrets, and I never thought that I will feature these items in this video, but I hope that you will find this useful. And do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about beauty products, luxury shopping vlogs, jewelry, Chanel bags, Dior, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, and style and fashion. At one point, I used to like all these items, but I either got disappointed in them or fell out of love. I will start with these Roger Vivier shoes that I bought this year. And I have quite a few of this, but I wanted to talk about this specific pair that I bought from Hermes online. And these shoes actually have untreated leather, so if exposed to water they blister, and that's exactly what happened. They are now beyond the repair, which is quite disappointing. If I knew this would happen, I would never buy them, obviously, and it rains a lot in Singapore. You can't prevent that. It wasn't even stated on the website that the leather is untreated and can't be exposed to water, which is quite disappointing. So now I wish I never bought them, and I'm going to be more careful in the future, and I'll try to buy from the store rather than buying online. Moving on to this item from Chanel. At one point I was so obsessed with these earrings. They are actually very beautiful, but I have an allergy. I can't even wear them for more than 3 hours, which is quite disappointing. I still like the design a lot. I think they are one of the prettiest earrings, but I think in the future I'll try to stick to fine jewelry instead. Moving on to the next item, and this one is my first item from Hermes, and I used to love this scarf quite a lot. I used to wear it so often, and I kind of fell out of love with it. I now tend to wear my Cartier jewelry or my VCA, and I hardly ever reach for this one. It still has a sticker. Maybe someday I will wear it again, but at the moment it's just laying in my drawer with jewelry and I don't ever reach for it. I think from now on I will just stick with Cartier and VCA. I don't fall out of love with those, and I'm just gonna stay away from costume jewelry going forward. Next up is this bag that I used to be so obsessed with, but I fell out of love with this style. I don't ever reach for it. The color is nice, it's good to have it in my collection, but I find that this style is not very easy to use. I think if it was in a bigger size it would be easier to open it, but this one is in a medium size and it just doesn't open properly. It's just such a pain to get into the bag every single time. I previously tried this bag in a bigger size and it would open fully. It was easier to get into the bag, and I think that size would work better, but then again it's kind of too bulky. So this style is definitely not for me. But I'm glad I got to try it out. I wouldn't want to make this kind of mistakes at the current prices. I will try to force myself to use it in the future. I don't know if I will succeed, but I will definitely try. And I will see if I still want to keep it in my collection. The only thing is I have such pleasant memories with this bag. My husband and we bought it in Italy when we were on holidays. It was such a lovely day. So that's why I'm not willing to let go of this bag just yet, but I still regret having it in my collection. If you're new to my channel, the next item might actually surprise you. It surprises me how come I'm never using this bag, and the color is so popular, but I never seem to reach for this bag. It's in a medium size, it's in caviar, and I bought it in 2017. It's actually my favorite shade of gray. And usually I'm not a fan of silver hardware, but I like that this particular bag comes with the silver hardware. I feel like silver and gray just look the best together. I also love the size. The medium size is the most practical in my opinion. I can fit in so many objects inside. And there are 5 ways of how I can wear this bag, unlike of the previous design when there are just 2 ways. Well, actually 3 ways. I have quite a few items in the gray color. I have a few coats, which I don't wear here in Singapore. Then I also have a few gray dresses and jackets, but I never seem to reach for this bag. I tend to go for a red color like this one. I think it's just my personality. I tend to reach for the bright accessories, bright bags, or bright shoes. I feel like they can make such a huge difference. They can help to spice up the entire outfit than to wear gray on gray. I also like this shade of red that I showed in many of my videos. It's a lot brighter color. A happier red from my collection. It just makes a huge difference. The whole outfit can be so dull, but if I just use this bag, it will elevate everything. And I also like the pink. I think pink and the bright red are in the same category. They're such happy colors and can spice up almost any outfit. And the last item on my list is this bag. Well, I think it's more of SLG. It's so tiny. I also bought it, if I'm not mistaken, during the Cruise 19 collection. Yes, it was Cruise 19 collection. It's beautiful. I worn it a few times and I actually bought it to wear it when I go for beach holidays throughout Asia, like Bali, Thailand. It's just so convenient to wear it, but number one, we don't travel anywhere right now. I hardly ever reach for this bag. I think in total I probably worn it a few times. Maybe I worn it 2 times in total. And number 2, this bag doesn't fit a lot. I can't put my latest SLG inside, it just doesn't close properly. I can only carry the card separately, which is quite irritating. I can't fit in a bigger bottle of hand sanitizer, it's just not convenient. I could probably fit in a tiny lipstick, and the lipsticks that I use now don't fit in. I just don't see the point of this bag. But I like the colors. It's so bright. Surprisingly, this color combination actually works very well with my summer beach holiday outfits that I have. It's a nice colorful accessory that I thought that I would end up using very often, but instead it's just sitting on my shelf and collecting the dust. I don't know when I'll be able to use it. I know this item wasn't very expensive, but I feel like I could put that money towards Cartier item or a VCA item. I wish I never bought it, and I think in the future I will refrain from this kind of purchases. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video useful. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!